This is how you download Warzone on the PS5. And this is an updated version for 2025. So, as you already know, same TV as last time. We're gonna get this started. And by the way, I got over pretty much 500,000 people seeing how to download Warzone, and I got so many thank yous. I do want to say I appreciate that. So this is the updated version for 2025, and yeah, let's get it started. It's pretty simple, and I can show you guys multiple ways this time. All right, so as you already know, last time I showed you, it's the search bar, typical thing. You know, go to the search bar, go to Call of Duty, right here. Excuse me. There we go. So Call of Duty's here. If you haven't bought it, you know, you gotta go to view product. I can download it right away. I did buy it, one of the versions, but you need to go to all the way to the product screen, go all the way to the other three dots so you can go to Warzone. And this is the actual launch page for Warzone. And now I see people asking me a whole bunch of questions like, what do you do when you get to this screen? Which one do I download? Well, now you need the base file for Call of Duty. You might need this if you got Black Ops 6. If you don't, then that's not for you. And you're gonna need this file here, the Black Ops 6 Warzone. The additional versions are for the PS, 4. Black Ops 7 Warzone pack is, I believe that's only for PS4. I think for the PS5, if you bought Black Ops 7, you're gonna have an additional file already. It's probably already embedded in the main game. But this one, if it's not a separate PS5 file for it and you can't find it, I would probably just download this and see what happened. But other than that, that is just how you download Warzone. There is version 2, so we can go all the way back to the main menu and try this again, right? Second way, if that one's too, exhausting, where is it? There's a feature that you can use down below. Call of Duty. Hold on, set the wrong game. Call of Duty. Use the voice option. Hold on, I ain't even gonna edit that out. Call of Duty. There we go. Oh, it's tweaking. Oh, y'all seen that? Okay. I had to turn it off because it kept actually just popping up. Oh my god. How to download? Wait, I'm saying how to download. Call of Duty. Oh man. Call of Duty. Call of Duty. You know what? I wouldn't even try that. I wouldn't try that way. So I would just stick with the search bar. Alternatively, you can go to the PlayStation Store and find it there. But you still got to search it up. But that voice, if you can get the voice part to work, I had to turn it off. And I'm trying to hold this phone and do it. But I do appreciate everybody that has been just constantly saying thank you over the year, almost 2 years now. And I've just been replying to every single comment. I do see every single one. I appreciate you guys. I really do. Again, share it. Run this one up too. And I think this is a thing called hype. Whatever that is, try to hype this one up because everybody's trying to figure out how to download it. I'm still getting thousands of views to this day. So hopefully this helps. Appreciate you all. Have a great day.